Welcome to day 15 of our Vlogmas snacks series. Come along with me, let's make this delicious goodness. So to start, in this recipe today we are going to be using 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and to add extra rich fiber and that nutty flavor, we are going to add in our whole wheat flour. Very healthy and very nutritious. So I just blended that from the market. I bought it and I blended it in the market. So I added in 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1.5 tablespoon of margarine. So give that a good mix until it's well incorporated. And then I added in 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So this recipe is going to look like cookies. It's not going to look like crunchy biscuits. It's going to look more like cookies. So that's what we are going for. So that's why it's slightly different from the one I posted a few days earlier. So that one is crunchy wheat biscuits, but this one looks more like cookies. So I'm adding in 1 whole egg and 1 sachet of milk, and then I mix that with a little bit of water, and then I'm going to be adding that to my mixture, my flour mixture. So to that flour mixture I also added a pinch of salt. So you mix this gradually to control the volume of water you add to it. So as you can see, it needs a little bit of water, and that's what we are going to do. We are going to add in a little bit of water. So in all I used a cup, but less than a cup. Just a little bit was remaining after I measured out 1 cup of water. So just for guidance sake, adding your water gradually until you achieve your desired texture, which should be not too strong and not too soft. So it was at this point I added in my salt, but you should add it earlier when you were adding your flour. So I added in raisins to add to the sweetness, to balance the whole taste and flavor of the biscuits. We don't want it to be too sweet, we just want it to be tasty and healthy and delicious. So if you are on a weight loss journey and you are thinking of how to enjoy this Christmas season without indulging too much, this is one go-to snack that you should make and keep it handy at home. And also you can serve this to your guests. Let it be an option available. So you roll that out. I divided it into two for it to be easier for me to work with. So I roll that out, and then don't roll it with force, just roll it slightly, and it doesn't have to be too flat. You can play around with the shapes. I use this square shape to cut this up. I love this shape very much actually. Then to that we are going to be lining them on our baking tray, which is already lined with a little bit of margarine. So gather the remaining dough and then combine them to make the next. Repeat the same process, just slightly roll it out. If it's getting sticky, sprinkle a little bit of flour and then you roll out the dough. So thank you all so much for sticking by, watching all my videos so far. I really appreciate you. So don't forget to like, comment and share this video. So if you want to see the other type of biscuit I made with wheat flour, I'm going to link that in the description box of this video. You can as well watch that and see for yourself. So this is it, all ready to go into the oven on medium heat for about 30 to 35 minutes. And then our whole wheat biscuits is ready. Yeah, you can see that texture, very good, very delicious, very tasty. So will you be trying this out? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section and just behold this beauty. Just take a look. It's so beautiful. And this is the reveal. The inside was cooked through, it was soft and it was delicious. You can have this for breakfast, a cup of tea. You can have this as snacks too.